Welcome to this new lesson of Visual Basic. In today's lesson, we will learn about the Visual Basic StreamWriter. I have the previous project open, the VB menu strip open. This is a project that we've been working with for the past lessons. And as you recall from the last lessons, we were able to do the following. We were able to open the open file dialog, use the open file dialog. Then we were able to select different types of files. Then we were also able to open the text file and read it in the text or stream reader, and read it in the text box that we have in our form. And we were also able to use the save file dialog and set some properties for the save file dialog. We tried to make some changes to the file that we have, the text file that we have. For instance, we wrote hello, these two words, and we tried to save these changes using the save dialog. And when we did vb.net that to overwrite it. When we clicked the save button, we had this message box that appeared and says that vb.net.txt already exists. Would you like to replace it? And we said yes. Then when we went to our text file, we did not find the changes there. As you can see here, the changes, these two changes here, these two words are not here. And we said that we need the StreamWriter to be able to do that. And in today's lesson, we will work with the StreamWriter. So basically, the StreamWriter allows us to write to a text file. As we were able to read the text file using the stream reader, the StreamWriter will allow us to write to a text file. To use the StreamWriter, we need to do the following. I'm going to say dim my text as new system.io.stream. This time we're going to use StreamWriter, not stream reader, so I'm going to pick this one. Then we're going to provide a path. We're going to say the save fd. We're going to use the save file dialog, and we're going to select our text file. Okay. This is the same thing as the stream reader. Basically, we are assigning the StreamWriter to the myText variable. So this variable object now contains the StreamWriter, and we are going to use the text box that we have in our form to make changes and to write to our text file. So I say my text that write. I'm gonna use the method write. We're gonna use the txt read to write for our text file. Alright, so that text, and let me now, the last thing we need to do is to close the StreamWriter. So I'm gonna say that close and click enter. Okay, so it looks good so far. I'm gonna debug it, bring this here. First thing I'm gonna do is to open the file first, the text file. Now I'm gonna make some changes to it. I'm gonna say hello YouTube, for example. Then I'm gonna use the save file to save it. I'm gonna go back here, go to the same, and say vb.net.txt. So I'm gonna overwrite this. It's asking me, would you like to overwrite it? I'm gonna accept that, and let's take a look if the changes are there. I'm gonna come here. This is the text file, and these are the changes. The changes are there. That's great. This is how the StreamWriter works. Now, the other thing I'm gonna do is show you how to do this as well. You don't have to overwrite a text file that already exists. You can write a new one. For example, if we say this is a new text file, we are using the StreamWriter. I'm just gonna put some exclamation marks. Okay, let's save this. I'm gonna use the same directory. I'm just gonna save it here, for example, but this time I'm gonna say new text. So that's a new text.txt. I'm gonna click save. Let's take a look if it's there. New text. Okay, it's here. I'm gonna double click to see, and there it is. Perfect. And basically this is how we use the StreamWriter in Visual Basic. The last thing I want to do for this project is to close this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that close. So this is to close the application. So if I start it, I bring this here, I come here, say exit, and it did exit. Alright, so this is how we use the StreamWriter. I would like to thank you for watching, and you have a good day.